Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology database administrator for the company Kibo Commerce Software. The experience need is 3 to 8 years. Education, graduation not required. The location will be Pune. And the second technology is software engineer for the company named the Shams Group. The experience need is 3 to 8 years. The education need is B.Tech, BE in computers and B.Sc in computers. The location, Hyderabad. The third technology is SQL DBA for the company Integrated Personal Service Limited. The location will be Mumbai, Maharashtra. The fourth technology is Azure SQL DBA for the company named Capgemini. Experience needed is 6 to 9 years. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The fifth technology is Database Engineer for the Business Intelligence. The company name is IBM. Experience needed is 4 plus years. The location needed is Bangalore. The link will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job reviews. Thank you.